in Jimmy say a country na obi to say Bamia wa bodam on nam Ghana your friend is saying Agradaa atia sorry ma nipa tim enyam 1 year ya Agradaa to me if in a criminal act ma baso abetia sorry 2 months nipa gum ye Jimmy inti kwase bia kuta bible de boy hu ne di nachi ejide bia your problem Agradaa atia sorry e ma nipa tim said ye na Agradaa so be hu Nyankopon wo your chin na Agradaa na nkasa otibusan said that she know herself onim no ho. The next one is this. Reminder, flashback. Ghana is hard. We are living in very tough times. Mensa Otabo, Mikromo Fantini, the most wicked criminal pastor of Ghana. Mensa Otabo. Me I say we mean jai kan. Na me nko jai kan na me nko kan dey. Those times are John Mahama Tesono. 5 years ago in 2016, General Overseer of the International Central Gospel Church, ICGC, Reverend Mensa Otabo bitterly lamented about how the country at that time was plagued with severe hardship. And the Mensa Otabo, I want to share the curtains, Nigeria for curtains now. So
all this year she has been
all that is happening in Ghana
to take revenge.
He has deliberately decided to speak about it. Mensa Otabo, we sike gu bank wa Ghana on nam Ghana ya fana court utiminya jimini bia wako school kakra. You are speaking against the man of God. God will curse you ofui wo dia kwanta ene wo na otare ho na obaye meboa. Otabo was part of the board of directors of that bank, Capital Bank. No nupo na chairman. His own house omo ye meetings so they didn't take record. Ne mansion na wo ayi Trasacos again. They were having meetings there. Today, they are shielding Mensa Otabo because he's a pastor. Mensa Otabo committed a crime. He needs to be prosecuted and jailed. And they said, the boys you are going after. They didn't have the final say. Mensa Otabo was the chairman of the board. Why is Mensa Otabo still walking around? Political pastor. Somebody who is so untruthful, uncanokre. Mikrom fantini no uncanokre. And when ya a Jimmy for be did say a Christopher. Na Yesu ba obeti sorry. Yesu na nkasa ba na ote sorry. Into a campe no maso wano. This guy, wait there, God will curse him. Uhwinim Jimmy. We want to build a nation, irrespective of who you are. As samabana uwoma, I'll say a trial the way we are trying the other people. You see how the Otabo Osha is still watching Nat Geo, so he does not feel what is happening in Ghana. A Jimmy for Moksana Makotana answer them. The Mundi be the red Gramunibi. Aqua wears a shoe. At Pam Kettins, I said, Jinamunimu Cabro to Mobako Heaven. More Jimmy. Political pastor. Omuntia taxes. And Omunam Ghana. Go and look in his books. Otabo di boni we no nipa na awose or making sure say Otabo's name was in there to be prosecuted Ejimo Bank of Ghana. San ma me no Ejimo Bank of Ghana ni kunu ye Mensa Otabo junior pastor. It was say enfa kra baby. And they did everything possible to shield Mensa Otabo from the report. Send a beya because the moment Mensa Otabo's name appears in the report to be prosecuted, ni kunu na or heady Otabo sorry branch bino, he will lose his job into Bank of Ghana na innocent. I'm not saying they are innocent. They were part of it. Why are you being selective about who to prosecute and who not to prosecute? Who is Mensa Otabo? On we Nyankopon bo rekorada. On to mpo ensa on one ho yare so yare ne makon to me so yare. O use Bible we read bi na good trim no begina wa. King my brothers. Why not to me nyasa ankase asem no? Bibi near Jimmy. You want accountability? God now, oh seven o'clock. If you are not honest with yourself, He will not listen to you. You people sitting in Mensa Otabo's church, 99% of you people know the man is a thief. Nanka Mensa Otabo, Capital Bank, would you be sitting there, my sense, Don Patru, Papa, Dada Pinto Ma, to laugh? You have used religion to scare people and to steal from the people. Where is the Christian Council? So me, anytime I hear Mensa Otabo's name, I don't blame Mensa Otabo. I blame the flock, the foolish flock, giving him money to sustain his life. Obeto now America. E moa mugu ICGC. You are foolish investing in a man who has just read a book to intimidate you. Are you foolish? Let me tell you, you can't intimidate me with the Bible or Quran. I'm being honest here. You people, some way Christopher, among from Table say Capital Bank, as the board chair, who in their right senses will take Otable out and go after managers. Fake political pastor. Call to be a people could be on call. And these people we have entertained, so many of them shall be to say Usubempa. Start Ghana di Nipem. No when Jimmy is a poor no betna national TV so na Usubempa Jimmy to work as I mean who's a moja will be. Then you are just lying to people. We are talking about a nation we want to build, not Kwasiatowe. Kwasiatowe or no only in the left and right. Na maso so ne so na Usubempa ka say Jimmy okotwe tuo ne adiniko shemu no ada na nyankopon na nyina mfirim. And we have entertained foolishness. We have allowed religion to destroy us. Inti edi hu ahye yemu opeso ko nyankopon ho awu numeduro wu konye ko hu nyankopon ana na ebone. Now you must some people who cannot even write their own names on paper, write about themselves, decide who leads this nation. Because kwasiye bi se wetie nyankopon ne. Kwasiye bi se nyame akase akire no. Enti yemfa ne so ne yentie ne enkoto aba to decide the destiny of this nation. We are here today. These foolish fools are still planted and they are leading flocks, foolish flocks. Last me catch Usubempa say on try me biem no try bi. Papa, try me again na me try bibi. Yen Jimmy say a country a na obi te say Bamia wa bodam on nam Ghana your friend is saying Komfuo ya also asakre yen Jimmy ya sa akwe openti on nam your friend is saying mumbo ni Agradaa atia sorry ma nipa tim enyam one ya Agradaa to me if in a criminal act ma baso abetia sorry 2 months nipa gum ye Jimmy to the point whereby we cannot understand differentiate between foolishness inti ama religion edieso inti kwase bia kuta Bible de boy ehu ne edinechi ejide bia your problem Agradaa ati asori sanya wa mi jama bloggers no ba me hu se comment demuti na me mam kakra no Agradaa ati asori e ma nipa tim said ye na Agradaa so be hu nyankopon wo ye otwe na Agradaa na nkasa otibusan said that she know herself onim no ho edie na ema na ye de oye na ote de oye na se. Does she understand it or tiasie? It will now walk according to the also busa say the person who is leading me, does she even understand what she's doing? And then also busa the woman is confused. She's going through life some psychological difficulty. Inti maamini nye stable sa or ye de enya kura on tiasie or embarrassing who kura on tiasie. She is just looking at it like a game. Inti Jimmy any man Komfuo bia for Christo some enomudi diska otabo owai de akoso Ghana nyina na sorry for enyo mo no mobre. Has he spoken about it? Has he taken time to speak on the economic hardship of this country? No, because foolish political pastors, their president is in power. He killed 8 people. He killed 8 people to win power. Mensa Otabos in Ghana, he foolishly ignored it. Now you say Nyankopon or if Nifrenu Kran Kobitio. God will strike one day, and in the name of God, it will happen. The embarrassment you people will get, you will be shocked in your bones. Keep using the Bible and the word to intimidate the people. Keep using it. Let's move forward. Answer na mekosono. Good timing. I would like to ask a simple question. Ediana esu Ghana maintain wasama amanfo ekan bebrebe no. Ediana ekoso Ghana mention ante wasama nipa bebre edin komo. Enti bibi wo ha konkonse bi wo ha mon kan kire me na yemfa nhyehyɛ so. Na me de mi anga sɛ bo ha no. Asemi amati e ha me pa. In fact, I need to comment on this. Matthias say me ha me pa, I need to comment on it. Now no answer American, I want people to understand say I'm a very nice person and me nipa bia me donipa when I sit here I let you know say ejuma na me ye no ejuma sebio ejuma or say ye educate Ghana for so unhumi say me tena ha me ni obi any problem me a very nice person na obi entumi nye obi bone na ye ntumi tena Ghana na ye nyina ye nye din obi ntumi kansem obi ntumi shada and deliberately onye bibi emfa mbu obi enimtia ema nipa no sebio oni areho. As humans, you know, we all need to understand. Into this evening, I just want to say something. I am miankasa me hunipa sebio ende asamatuna hame. Your friend Agradaa. Yes, Agradaa in your broken heart. Now, I am one person. I'm a nice person. Ubia kwaja Agradaa kunu. Asamne hame. I hame because sabu bi koka wo na also hu say aboa na oka wo no o se pe kwan bi so de sa aboa no fa akwan foforo so Agradaa enipa bi a sebio asama to Agradaa no enya asama eye nkomodie keke na sebi ye nyina ya sorry na aka se emfa ye ho adentina ye nua ba mi ankasa mi girlfriend Agradaa me do no obi anim edo a me wo ewo me ni Agradaa ntem anyonkofa eni odo ha yemienu Agradaa nya abote salanda sebio me hu say ba groundswork dia Agradaa hard lady na mintumi so ntena ho mo bi nje Agradaa kunu mintumi nye din enhwe say yes obi age Agradaa kunu nti mema asam nko adentira a national issue asama ehun ofa so chen kedufuri ata akwa mabodam ye ntimi ntena ho obi ansore no abeje Agradaa kunu tesia no menemo kasa sisia as Ghana for ndi metuma kan se Agradaa ni kunu tesia eseme ware Ghana ni tesia no me ankasa no me besem ka che Ghana for se officially me na me Agradaa boy ye didi nkomo kakra nkomo na yedi ne nheda nsie ni kwansema kora ni nkomo wi enti se an Ghana no se me no kase Agradaa ni kunu de me na me Agradaa boy wa be ka sama fa Agradaa ho because baby Agradaa edu sisi an a danger point ultimi ka sama fa no ho ma ne nkana koma me stop o wa be ya wa adwene se wo de wa no be si Agradaa ho aka sembo ni bia fa Agradaa no se Agradaa my girlfriend personally officially my announcement no radio so ni TV so worldwide me na me date Agradaa because they say obi age Agradaa boy Agradaa kunu me se na pesa me ware Agradaa enye se be nyan ware no ye date enti wa wonim a obebie wa no aka asembo ni afa Agradaa ho waka asembo ni afa me ho Agradaa so opre dodo kasa sa de to edu a wo ye wanye bia afa okunu ho agra di duro me ka kire o akoya no yi Burkina die okọ me ka kire se fa papa yi ka ho na yemfa ne mfra oso we de ni nya din we de ndi ono ni papa e na o ma akitesi abeji nje se Agra miminim se esi an Ghana the whole Ghana obi enim se ade no me na me date o esi amemaka the whole Ghana bloggers mama kakram pa ko didi Kevin Taylor na date Agradaa ya ja Agradaa kunu me na me date in the interim no esi ano signing on fee no me na ma signing esi an interim no me na me date Agradaa wa wonni ma obde wasem bekọ Agradaa so woni me e wo problem because o ka eya me girlfriend ho asem tie de America no Agradaa mensuro memo bia nka bibia ntia ma wakoma mra fom ma wakoma ne mra fom de ebeye bia ye de dadzi ya mama dadzi abafie no but in the meantime me show my dadzi me show for the meantime no mid shift to the day me na me dadzi no dadzi Agra for the meantime no me na me dadzi Agra no met me twa mama into for the meantime no there the omudin ko bebeji ade it but for the meantime the whole Ghana obi antia say so Agra intimo yɛse intima mo so amefo a mo nte brofo no yɛka sɛ intima yɛse Agradaa ho akyere no me na me hyɛ hɔ ai intim entuka Agradaa ho asɛmbɔne a waka me ho asɛmbɔne enti me magana fo nyina ehu sɛ sisia no wo hya Agradaa no oyɛ bibi so Kevin Taylor girlfriend Kevin Taylor and ne bumfu onim sɛ ade ndie me wo hɔ no de no problem esia yɛse me mpɛ Ghana ba bi na me ne ntena ai me nua be ma yɛ wo Angeli nana brefo ai ɔse me ware Ghana ba enti sia me maba Ghana no de Agra na me ware no enti Agra Zazi is here Agra Zazi is here Zazi Akoma madam. All right, so mommy and your show no we and Monday about aggressiveness ngwa. Monday ni yeshada enye kakra. Monday and Monday.
Amemo boni we kra musumani che. Ye nyina ye MPP fu. Enso afuna ye bre. Ahwo se na no den. Eya na meti say ye interview maybe no mu bisa say na Mahama no obeye den. Mahama obeka kokunte aton ewo Jubilee House. Mahama ebeka chozafi aton wo Jubilee House.
Mahama be den kwase akeka muhwini mutokro sa abeifo kraba. When se mesi muhwini mutokro ho sa abeifo kraba Mahama be den mo dabo no. muhwini mutokro sa abeifo kraba munima abeifo kraba si bi atie mo ni se opel cadet ena muhwini mutokro kakraka sa abeifo kraba Mahama be den. Obechinchiwe owia no de guma hem na blasting se popcorn papa moa. Yeah, quite an inchirem. All right, thank you very much for being part. Tokroka krakase abefo kraba. Kevin Taylor, ne kwasma be jame. Kwasma be jame. Kwasma ko he. Yay, kwasma chro. Go and marry Agrasco. Kwasma green light no. Go and marry Agrasco. Thank you very much Kwasma. Nyami shira pa. Kwasma se menko wara Agrasco. Agra, kwasma ja tum the only problem. Agra, Mr. Kwasma na Agra crowd finger na to say me person come to ring no. And you know when I say I am Mrs. Kevin. I am Mrs. here the fra Agradaa Mrs. Taylor. Musha Agradaa so Agradaa oh Kevin Taylor's girlfriend. I mo friend is her Agradaa for frodo no. Mo amosi Mahama be de no. Muhwini tokro sa abefo kraba. Mo wa abefo kraba da. Kakraka etare opel cadet ho a eta wan muhwini tokro kakraka sa abefo kraba moa Mahama be den obe swatching ka fa chicha mamo. All right, 3:55 in Ghana it's 7:55 inti Ibradango, I am here. Thank you very much, family. We are about to do the do. Let's move on. And I decide what to talk about, oh, and I decide what you talk about. Into sometimes, I get some people. I say, hey, and then you don't know what you are doing and don't know the person you are dealing with. I decide what to talk about at what time. Me twenya there pressure about remain can be because I didn't why ready one me duru twen there we didi one mo nkwan why we aponchi tie wi aba him no na me gina ho aha sana me yo inti me twenya we di fufu di aponchi tie wi no a wa baba onem na ohwini mu abie sa be fo kro aba na onim send the free range na me gina ho sana me no na mo dem ko bu sana onim bi me no sana me no. All right, let's move on. One or two videos I want us to look at. This is a video. It's quite disheartening. People want to go and help Ghana, and they Ghana. This is an issue we need to be looking at. A man for me person will call immunize in Komfuo. NGO so say a government health workers. They have gotten to that point whereby baby omu jina any baby a nipa na wose ekowo omu man pande no insio galamsenti omu ntumi cross insio no. It is disheartening. This is 2023 and Nanado Danko Ekufuado and the enye sika de di nkwasi asem wo Ghana.
Kemo one Sunaja, Udia no so the way Tesla, Mama Paladina Tankran and San Chinko. The chairman Kodajon for Anas what the car trade and a framono, at the San Fravo Sabama Fire train soon because of some buffalo and no mamma. Aha, Obi Sand Ho. Why would they sign Saboya? Braisuri Janaba country and San Chinko, Rufu Frosso. Ah, into Edmond Dorso and a Sunday you will crop the brace to say echo. Aha. Kemo one Sunaja. Udia no so the way Tesla. Mama Paladina Tankran and San Chinko. The chairman Kodajon for Anas what the car trade and a framono, at the San Fravo Sabama Fire train soon because of some buffalo and no mamma. Aha, Obi Sand Ho. Why would they sign Saboya? Braisuri Janaba country and San Chinko, Rufu Frosso. Ah, into Edmond Dorso and a Sunday you will crop the brace to say echo. Aha.
So this is Ghana 2023. Okoboy abotai te se Egypt for sheep. Odwan bi o Egypt and odede te asempa no kekansem National Health Insurance. It is working and omo tenkra kekan kwase asem 2023. Nurse for akokan suechi. Ye kwa akọwọ enkora eye ye ko immunize enkora against polio ene eye 6 child killer disease ni ade o 2023 in Ghana. But do you know the saddest part of this story? Minim mirefi baby a asem we see. Omo mo nso ne ja hono election day MPP fo benya kwan ede eye ballot box akoho. Ye benya politicians etumi the ballot box akosi wo so monto abama na nado danko ekufuado one ba omiane alankash ene nkwasiafo no maka no munsa ndi yeso omo di yeso mfienso na kwasia bia ne hwinim tokro kakraka editi abrochire se ai mahama bayeden mesi mahama oba abaya wo hwene kakraka na isa beyifo koraba no oba be kamwa 2023 and 2023 nipa ejina nsu eja kasa ekromofo muntie ye ntumi ntwa nsuo no galamsenti nurse for na wenya kwase bi titi Facebook say Kevin Taylor oba come and sell your candidate aboa I'll come and sell your winner. I should come and sell my candidate. When my candidate was alive, my candidate built a regional hospital. Kwasiafo tribe inti. Can you point to one regional hospital your stupid candidates have been able to build? Mahama Bayedeng, Emwama. Suddenly, yenyan kwasiafo ehunyansa automatically adanya Kevin Taylor kasa inti yango kanche Kevin Taylor say he should come and present his candidate. Me my candidate onya any introduction o. Monkwasia candidate no mgu MPP mu no. Omo here introduction. Because I can mention so many things sir. I don't need to mention my candidate's name. Obi abehu. Now what about the foolish fools in MPP? Mudi Tumiyama almost 7 years. Ever seen there? They cannot boast of one regional hospital. And the nurse of Wojin Switcha Echi. Monkwasia Chema won't to me Monkwasia Asantesam any Akansamunti. And then Sue near call. Pra say, Kwasantimem Korea in Supapabia Naho. Kogana could see ensuring in us say ye MPP say Ghana and Timo Obianka MPP asem. Me, Metiano. Makachiremo. John Mahama to Wanyame Bawu. All right to talk about John Mahama. But say only fact about John Mahama, menka John Mahama chisem. And then the oya menchemau. And I've told you over and over, they be ameka. So all facts now, go and talk about John Mahama. So I can say John Mahama yewi. Show me the ma John Mahama yewi. Now to me fa wa he mu kan kan tena baby nka say John Mahama yewi. Now when yankwasiafo bi so to work say ai adan na obi antumi ka John Mahama asem. You have the right to speak about John Mahama. But if you don't have the facts, men fa kwasia emejina nka say Kevin Taylor and Kevin Taylor say no. Yetna Ghana Jimmy Kasebia free SHS. Ye nidi free SHS. Ye ma ye ntumi wo mo mpande mpo ebi nya polio, ebi nya yare free SHS. Emembru nya adwuma nya free SHS. Mo de mo nkwase asa no mo hu fi gugugu abrochire mo beka nyansa na nyoma asesa no. Mo ya se moa bi ma. Mmoa bi ma na mo say yɛkyekyere Ghana na say yɛkyekyere tribe. Mo say yɛkyekyere Ghana and say yɛkyekyere tribe. Now me pese Ghana for TBB ase. Me see the next year and half obi eni obetuma ka John Mahama asem wo afa ne ho adi o ka fa fact bra. Na so o ka John Mahama asem na nkuta fact dia me echo any the reasonable ones on my platform ye ntwemaw. Mo betumi aka ne wo nsem o wiase nyina ene de enko bebia ene de enkohwe ene de enyehwe mo betuma be mi sexy movie me bu me pa e wo ba bi so e wo kejetia ensisa hwe de aginam se ye ntwem obi amfa atro emedi Ghana for so that is the fact ene de ensisa o enti samo pe message bi de aba 2023 nurse fo gina nsu achi mo de monkwase galamse na sai nsuo nipa ntumi ntwa nsuo enso saa bebi a nurse ni gina yakuta de ndien e kasa kire inkurasefo se omma ya wo mo totofefe no e wo se e wo mo pande no mo ban kwasiafo tenkran se bibia ye okay national health insurance obi ho tono yakoka ye papa kofo aso na bubu ofu from papa kofo etumu nana ekufu ado why na etubesi regional hospital Ghana moama Mogin say ya be sadada na mo the psychological thing bi ye de edoso ye de ano eden na wano eden na wonum kankan ya ogin say de okanyina fa ni patrim wano so ohwene so na wonum ya kankan ya ogin say okasa yetie ye pa omo kasa me yetie mo MPP fo na ende mo gugu social media mo ntumi kan kire say de MPP aye ni no mo fa mo kwasia me kan kire one regional hospital mo MPP na si save Ghana ni ba emmoama. Come and show me one regional hospital. One regional hospital. When the regional hospital here. When the regional hospital here. And more. Mo just see Jimmy ana. And I'm just say, yes, I be mamusa space li bi mom de nkwasya keka na mahama yesi. And mahama yesi abua mahama obusuani a anka oda wase kan nka worship no. We need to understand. It's not about personalities. It is not about baby obi free. It is about ejuma ya dema wono. Have you done it? Very dirty people. Ya kwose samu free Belgium bana odwan tinti ya dem begu dem ne ye dimu sam moa mogin samu muni nipa ye pe ya samu free Belgium ba mo hu fi sam ponche na ya bekum ponche tima mo wi de sam moa na mogin samu ni nipa adwene ye pe moa mo mbra mo wase ne angyekire Ghana ya be bo manfo punu mu kwa ne abusa so okra tawen bebre mu deserve so betena brochire in the name of Jesus. Majority of you people, majority of Mamugu UK, America, bebre, you don't deserve to live in Abrochire. Muya moa or some call back fear. Mosa call back home. A Jimmy 4. Abrochire mobile monya son faso bia. Ye nya son faso. Ye bedi mo atema mama adwuna be fie moa. Mude budi atema ye. Oh mahama ye Komfuo kwasi ato. Ye kasi we Komfuo ne Komfuo dia on TB da. O John de Saba. O beri aba. Ugono aba. Inti enya den. Ye mfa abeyfo kura ba mesha wano. Mo bobɔ dam. Mesi mu nyina mo bobɔ dam. Mo bana mo beka MPP asema. Ye ni aye ka John Mahama asem ne me say. Me metuma kire regional hospitals a John Mahama ni NDCAC. Mo beka one regional hospital a NPP eba Ghana ebedi Ghana so esi from mo papa Komfuo time. Na fe minka say mo MPP for mo save nipa life. Mo ba na mo beku nipa na mo ko. Muntumi and create anything to save any life in Ghana. What have you people done to save lives? Do we save life with just a health insurance card? You save life in the hospital. In Moa. We save lives in Kwa. Ya Jim Kwa our hospital. Ukuta health insurance card. Now we need hospital. We Jimmy 4. So munja is a Jimmy politics. No montia siye. Mufra brochireba munam temena 3 semponche muhu. Adi anyamufe. Dirty people. Very dirty people with dirty attitude. Ye de debian Ghana, ye njama ni pebi, na omajuni yomu se Ghana yomu dia, mudi yomu kasa, ye din tafu atama no problem. Obi nkasa John Mahama ye Komfuo, John Mahama ye wi, ye ke the same church kufuwa da oye pejine muama. Ye ke bichira MPP niya, oye pejine muama. Na mudi yomu se Ghana no, e kurobi ni ya chichirima ni pebi. Me pe MPP niya oye bold. Oso nim nyansa. Also on the Sebio MPP enim nyansa cha NDC on make one regional hospital. Make jai me show we. I will never come on TV again until some of us are no me humu nyina say mwa. I'm going to repeat this. until one NPP person, I don't care where you are from, whether you are part of the animals in Europe, America, Asia, in Ghana, as an NPP person, also who defend the NPP policies, come and show me one regional hospital. Me, I will quit. I will never campaign for John Mahama again. And more, mine. Mo Oforiata finance minister, ne choba ya COVID-19, ya tamne beto hospital dem, and more, munyusuma adwene. Baomia ebedi president ne chuba ya tamno ko UK hospital dem mwe jimi mondwene na mudi sa nkwasiafo we chi se ye political party ye de ya kanfo nti omwe jimi kura ye mpe entise payday. Baomia bedi president 2018 or 2017 ne chuba ya no tamwe ye ade no wanchechire no Ghana ade no wanka se Komfuo ba obesi regional hospital ade ne afo na nkoto Komfuo emergency. Anda ni anfa ba omi ankoto Komfuo emergency. Anka se Komfuo emergency ni ngine nkwa. Ada na mwejimi saa. Abrochira moteno mo yare a yare boko hospital say motena dem every insurance card. Me penyanseni ba akopɛ sense ye chichire NPP. Sense ye chichire NPP. Me penyanseni ba akoma na begina social media Facebook hefa. Kweku ten mosquito kwa na we bi no say radio station no me penyanseni ba akoma na betine maka say NPP na ye gym na ye didi Mahama tem edidi NDC for ateso me ntafo o me nkwasiafo no ye regional hospital ne moa mo mekere me ba ako na mo jese nyina ejimi mo jese tukwan a ye nsua de mo jese ye moa efrifie ne saba abrocha saba da ne moa. This is not got to do with me akani ana me nyakani. It's got to do with simple thing. We need facilities to build a nation. A whole political party that has been in existence for years. Next year, na NPP edi Ghana so saying 16 years. Next year, na NDC almost edi Ghana so saying 16 years. 16, two political parties. Two political parties. From 1992 AG Constitution 2 say even you going before 1992 are still the NDC can tell you of things they've done when even not democracy started here. But let's be fair to the NPP. 1992 Constitution, 1992 any constitution by a democratic nation. NPP 16 years, NDC 16 years. Show me one hospital I'm see a regional hospital moi. Nanke abetina ha me papa ya kan ninti say Komfuo party Jimmy kura na men so mo Jimmy mo yankwasiafo ye nya Ghana fo ye yusu ya adwene 16 solid years 16 solid years mo papa Komfuo betena asantememu we ntumi ansi one regional hospital anka Komfuo no cheho ote wheelchair mu ende ye kasa ye papa Komfuo ne legacy ni den akwara bia wu asantememu a hye kon to me na sebio mo pe the thirst for power ya danema mo 2000 e den am de mo tu ne chicha santemai kura. Today we are still talking about one interchange in the Ashanti region by the NPP. Sa de phone Komfuo ye no ka sofo line asafo no me kura metumi musika ye sa de phone tantan na o ye free ye bebia a life no be sane down ho no to cold stuff for go to to train na over or say dabi no sa de tantan na o ye no we na mo de go compare Dubai no nkurasefo mo de say na chichire man party abedi ni paso 16 years Komfuo 8 Komfuo almost 8 na yenya mu nipa ba kompontment na platform bia so nka say we have built this never na ye jiminti ye Komfuo nti ye nyina betena ha no ye nane moa ne ye nka se ye nyina ye di MPP echi Hepic toilet na Komfuo be sie na mo ankasa MPP fo mo de MPP fo NDC fo aban na mo flip ya yenya exercise be quick ne enko enim Mr. P, let me do this quickly. Kwansoma de audience huni odo okay, I'll do that. MPP ni NDC mo asebi o munko school kese munkurase for dodo na moti abrochire na motama na mufri Ghana no yeta mufri ewure ma ya de besi kotoka nti munnim sibia Ghana tie ma mencheche bi munkyere mo so amoni da ho na ma adweye mo se ye de say anka say NPP a party papa ye nyina ye jim no mebe busa masem bi mom ye nya ade bisisi a ye flip coin no ye mfa NDC 8 years rule na under Rawlings ene Atamils Mahama emfa MPP na ye mfa MPP rule no under Komfuo Ekufuado ye mfa ma NDC ye switch ne nhwe e de na ko ye MPP ni abeka MPP for let's switch. Let's do the switch. Yemfa NDC for 16 years no. Yemfa ma MPP. Says 16 years are Rollins by Atamils by Mahama by no. Na ye MPP for. Na yemfa Komfuo Ekufuado rule no 16 years ye bekumi. Yemfa ma NDC for. Sa wo asantini na kanina oto na udi matem say wo ye MPP ni media atem no. Sanka o party ni sa MPP na ende omo no ye NDC nyom na nkade na obeka. Abo bi ba. Anka nne ke tigana anka de na anka robeka Komfuo baye ena Komfuo beye kotoka Komfuo baye ena Komfuo beye Kumasi airport anka sana obeka because anka MPP na ye NDC a kasana anka obeka ye papa Komfuo baye ena oba santimem no be si kejetia obe si sewia okokumewu no ko si another regional hospital hwe de Komfuo beye ma Ghana brankran be hwe kotoka international airport kotema port ko hwe regional hospital we si amantafo no hwe anwonafo kra we si airport abowa sana nka obekasa but enya wunti enya wu papa na ye wo party na ye nti ene de ye nti ase emowa anytime say mon switch yemfa NDC rule ni ma MPP na yemfa MPP rule ni ma NDC anka wo sa nipa sa anka wo kasetia NDC anka wo ka he inkurase for party NDC e de no mabeye since on be 2000 enya toilet no be see Komfuo gallon e de time on de eye Komfuo bus ba kra na eye osa wo ho na tata bus wo e de ade foforo be na wo ba ye asantemem de na enyaye sa na anka wo be kasa NDC betena so switch it ejimifo switch the coin let's flip it. When you flip it, you see the reality. Oh, flip it, and about so Jimmy. Oh, flip it, and about so Jimmy in SA Ghana. We are more. Mama, dream brefie. Koto de na bodje. Nyanya nchire. Ona de en kwasia keka ne nkwasia be. Now you say NDC for resume kuta omo. John Mahama resume kuta no. Why na what NDC MPP mo obi? Why na what NPP mu na or what John Mahama resume ni bi? Try and test it in Ghana politics. Why na wo mo obi nanka John Mahama be ye NDC MPP ni a ka se nanka mo address no John Dramani Mahama anko be ye MPP ni a ka mo address mo be de nanka mo ka fa no ho hey na John Mahama de why de bi nie me kire mu se bi a mote me dwudwam kwasiafo me kire mu se san kwasia keka wo na de abeduru ha ya ntwem obi abie mu Obian to me fa bibia hunu obi abiemu mas gradin yakopon hey massa we have gone through everything Obian to me fa nothing to intimidate anybody in Ghana nothing and then last me catch Ghana for oya huneni oya kroboni oya kanni oya sai oya massa memo bian hunu nobody is superior in Ghana than anyone no tribe is superior than anyone no political party in the san kwasi ade de hye bi mutirimu no mama adwene won say mo na Ghana ye modia Ghana ye hwan dia mo bobodam me say John Dramani Mahama anko ye NDC MPP ni a anko be di president akowu wan na nim nyansa che say John Mahama wa NPP mu hu nyoma John Mahama aye sanka John Mahama o te sana po na Kofi Asanteme mu a ankende anko tumfo agina tena menhia nyoma John Mahama aye sanka John Mahama ko MPP ni ena osi kejeti aka John Mahama o ye tani o nkansa ne ba bedi asante hene ye nkwase akeka no me se muntie me monyi se bedi agro ha me se tani John Mahama sanka ye MPP ni ena ko si sa kejeti we ya wesi ena ko ye sa Kumewu hospital no ena o ye sa airport na anka mu betu otu for the nesi so me I'm telling you enya yenti and the ensema obia who in the NPP has the resume I'll bet you compare John Mahama who Bawumia returns home with funding for Tamale Airport, Bekwai Hospital and Kumasi Market expansion 2019 Kailization Sikano way Baumia, o tro chain intro. Baumia, o intro, a chain intro. Sasika we nyina we Baumia returns home with funding. He has returned home. Wakwa kodim kwasi asama ba say he has returned home with funding. Where is the money? Kaikalization the enjoy you. You bet kai mo to 2028, 30, 2040. Ye enjoy mo kai see you say ye Jimmy. It dey bia you need to stand on you gina mo so. Sasika na wen ye tie na say okofa 15 billion abiaba, $15 billion ye hu ye. Yes, Satya, Emma Baumia, sir, Wakofa, Sika, Babe, at Tamale Airport, or Bequai Hospital, and a Kumasi Market, a Wayne. Nasikani is saying, people are sending me message, fresh shooting at Nkranza. Me say, Nkranza Semono, some of us Sovia, IGP no. Me say, damn pare, let me tell you people, damn pare. This Nkranza youth issue, yeah, Abi. You need Matisse Dampare releases statement, and ISD DND is going to. Dampare is a liar. Dampare is a political IGP. Dampare, you cannot trust him. Ghana Police Service, there are more criminals in the Ghana Police Service than in the system. I'm telling you. And Dampare knows. In Komfuo, I'm kidnapping a Canadian girls, you're way. In Komfuo, I'm kidnapping Canadian girls, I'm way. MPP boys, I'm kidnapping. I'm case na saying. Met my church cases baby akodi police phone sim. Dampare cannot be trusted. In Ghana for motoa Dampare kofa camera be sini so a nyame na de wa ba Dampare is a politician. What is happening at Nkranza are just a tip of the iceberg. So many things are ABC, you'll be shocked. Dampare cannot handle it. Because although he came to serve criminals, Dampare is not in Ghana, or he's not the IGP because we're interested in interest. He's covering up murders. He's covering up murders because a member of parliament told us that Dampare Nipo Kun, a member of parliament. Till date, this man has kept quiet. Oh, papa, any a KB Dankwan Kabelde. Canada Japan kwa siampenyi wea ne sing nashi. Ne sing nashi Jimmy wea. Ne nice wa aisa bo fraba habain. Kwa siya wea ombo bra papa bi ona bra bomu no. Kwa siya to wea o mental problem no. Kwa siya we kaje say Dampare knows who murdered JB Dankwa. Akwa no ho kankan ho finya ne ti se 1962 box iron. Bema no ho fun sa no. Otena ho kan ye jama kwasia we de nam Ghana. Osa de dimbi ba ye ensuji abo. Osa ba no se Ahmed Swale. Kwasia we ti Ghana ye mra. Na we kuro na hotim. And the kwasia we un say enkwasiafo no ka so omo ye nkwasiafo no pe so odi omo so. Nti kwasia we so be president. Some catching so he will lose that seat. Also Ojani free ho. A technique. He will lose that seat. Sani MP seat make Jeffrey in seven. Sani Asin Central City. Onim say he will not win. My catching, I will take it. Massa. Now do you know the work we are doing? I will take that seat from him. On transfer seat is a president Teddy. Or should I be called no primaries? Or him so winning. Oh, and the bija city too. I don't want to go back to parliament. Oh, so me say. Or your Bema son also or your overlord of Asin Central. On transfer seat no. Magic. I'll give it to somebody. Menje kapre. Siato tete Ghana peje abeti. Ofui 15 consecutive times. Abua we na adwini adwuma. He never came to parliament. 15 consecutive times. We were paying his dead ass every single month. Adwasafo na bodam news or tabrochire Ghana phone to into petrol. Ya jije sika na da come adwasafo. She is being paid a day. Ya betena amos ye muade mo yankwasiafo. Mo yankwasiafo. So Dampare no number one, don't trust him until he comes out to tell us as Semna Canada Japan Kayana or didn't debate it is true or not before I can trust a person who covers up for murderers. A whole member of parliament sat on TV and showed the face of an investigative journalist like myself, and he was killed. You want me to sit here and pamper such fool? You saw what the judge wrote. You are a public figure. Your actions should prove it. Because here when I'm Ghana and I'm also son so. Oh, who say enkwasiafo mo people we Jimmy anko betu be na so the president. Wo who say enkwasiafo te say ma wuntu no. Omo dɔɔso, abronyafo no dɔɔso, ejimifo no dɔɔso. Ono na betu na TV say MPP for ye enkwasiafo. What won ferry enya we ya kwasia we say me sakoje forms utumi young man wa cause say I want Canada Japan kwasia So your IGP, he is not working in your interest. Or buy a camera and a camera didn't chi no uraha. Me say that is not a job. You are acting. You are pretending. The job is on the ground, it's on your table. Deal with them. Give us answers. I CID boss we sit in a country, nobody wants to ask questions. Every single one of you, your life is at stake. We'll be better about to any day, and they will foolishly sit at the police headquarters and write a statement. See what is happening at Mkranza. It is going to explode, escalate. Paparazzi IGP, we photographer IGP. Campaign and I'm fame to no be answer questions. Give us answers. You think we are still going to do that nonsense? The police service, it should be a service that has some integrity with it. And the police for Chrono Cratch and Ghana for no. You see, police phobia corrupt will be me a bo. Another police officer team, my friend is saying, police in a bonnet team no. Till date, I was saying, police officers murdering police officers. There's an IGP who hasn't resigned. Now, almost say, our counterpart now, back training. Americano. Do you think we will have an IGP who will sit and say, police officers murdering another police officer protecting money? What but damn now police honorably, that police officer, the IGP will come out and say, I have resigned, I have failed the people. But it's one is also IGP so. I don't or IGP or Dr. Dampare, no took Jimmy Sani at Ghana. Let him come out and tell us. Say Kennedy has some no kind and Ukraine no credit. Because until we respond, IGP Dampare, he covers up for murderers. Yes. Say cheese, take a picture, me check a little crit. Because the IGP said they want to be. Let us see some results. Obi to a Kevin Mbu IGP, as I'm making a grab in him. As I'm making no crab in him. I will say it this way. I don't have any other way to say it. Why IGP Namkromo Chekalole, what to say you have been protected. Mon national security boss, we in a him or some or band number 2 TV so you say you have been protected. Where Jimmy Papa? We will go there. Now see this. There are a few things. Kevin, they be